friends, today I'm extremely delighted to share with you that your and my channel Being Speaker has reached its first milestone by publishing almost 10 videos with 600 plus views and almost 50 subscribers on this channel. So thank you so much for all your love and support, and I hope it continues as we proceed. So on this occasion, I thought of picking up one of the questions that came from one of the viewers is on robotic process automation. So the question was, Sarika, is robotic process automation and artificial intelligence one and the same? So let's unfold this in today's video as we proceed. Now, before even we jump to answering the question whether RPA is same as AI, it is important for us to understand both these terms. So let's understand RPA because AI is something you already know. RPA. There are three words in this. One is robotics, which means mimic human action. Second is process, which means sequence of steps or tasks. Third is automation, which means eliminating manual work. So in a nutshell, RPA is a software technology which is helping deploy, create and manage software robots. What these robots are doing, they are actually automating end-to-end process, including the steps which human being is taking. To give you an example, if there is a person who comes to office every single day and his job is to open the email, pick up the attached invoice, open the invoice, go through the information and do a set of data entry and then print the invoice. Now every single day this person is doing this mundane job. I don't know how much excitement or motivation this person would have, but this is the exact scenario where RPA can be applied. Hope this clarifies what is RPA. Now is the time to answer the question. So the answer is RPA is not AI and AI is not RPA. If you have paid attention to my definition, I always mention human actions. I never mention human behavior, human sentiment, emotions, or maybe decision making skills and other cognitive capabilities. So these are some of the limitations of RPA technology. But can these two be clubbed together and we can come up with some interesting solution? Absolutely. These two together will be a much more powerful solution where even today, in case of AI, the RPA is considered to be the last mile for AI because most of the front end, like you have these chatbots, the front end is being handled by RPA while it is being powered by the models created by artificial intelligence. To give you a couple of examples, if you know this company called as American Fidelity, they are using AI and RPA jointly to address or increase the claim frauds detection. The other company which I can talk is a market research company. They are using this jointly and have something called as intelligent RPA, where they are actually aggregating entire global data, analyzing it and interpreting the market data. So these are some examples where if these two are applied jointly, it has multifold benefits. Now let's come to the practical part. So first question would be, what are the tools that we can use for RPA implementation? So there are many tools in the market. To start with UiPath, you have Blue Prism, you have Automation Anywhere, you have WorkFusion, you have Pega. So these are different tools which are available, but you would face some challenges in getting a demo version of all of it except for UiPath. Now in case of UiPath, there is actually a community edition which you can actually join in, and this is purely for learning and experimenting. You cannot use this directly for implementation. For that, again, you have to have a licensed version. But if you want to try your hands, then definitely this community version of UiPath is a great tool for you to check out. Now let's understand why is this everyone's favorite these days. Because of these benefits. It has shown an accelerated transformation with great resilience, which means it has shown speed, scalability, and also resilience, which means if there are high volumes of work, it can handle it easily, and it can also be mellowed down if there is a low peak of work. The second one is everyone's favorite, money matters. Yes, it has shown great benefits and savings in terms of ROI, and some people also call it as ROR, which is return on robotics. The other one is about high accuracy. It has given higher accuracy to the processes because a lot of manual errors have been eliminated. The other part is around compliance. In a Deloitte survey, it has come that 92% of people believe that the compliance is at par when you use robotics process automation. And the last one is around productivity has been boosted because of implementation of RPA. These are some of the benefits, but then there are some software elements also where it brings in more value and also happier employees, because a lot of mundane tasks and repetitive tasks has been taken over with RPA, and now people can focus on much more richer work, and they are excited about it. In your organization, if you want to implement artificial intelligence under process automation, I think robotics process automation is the first step that you should do, which eliminates all the manual tasks and then top it up with artificial intelligence. That would give you a robust solution. With that, me Sarika Hussain signing off. Have a good day.